Compass navigation, perhaps the two words that confuse new divers the most. Reciprocal compass navigation is one of the most challenging skills to conduct for instructors, and many students struggle when learning to use a compass underwater for the first time. Following the techniques and insights in this video, you will learn a more efficient method to conduct navigation skills with precision and control, making you a more confident instructor and providing your students with a safer setting to comfortably master this skill with ease. Begin the skill at a fixed reference point such as a buoy line. Ensure your students are ready to begin and then communicate with your dive master. Now give the signal for the skill to your students. Assign roles. Signal to the first student they will be navigating with the compass and provide them with a compass heading. For example, in this video we will use 330 degrees. Now signal to the second student to count kick cycles between 10 and 20. In this video we will use 15. Next, ask your students to move into position and position your dive master on the same side as the student counting the kick cycles. Position yourself close to the navigator. Make sure they hold the compass flat as they set the correct heading. The student will turn the bezel to the direction given. The number on the bezel will be on top of the lubber line. Next, the student turns their body to align the north needle between the two index markers. Altogether, the students begin to swim. Stay slightly above the navigator's side with a clear view of their compass. Make sure their arms stay locked at a 90 degrees angle to ensure the lubber line stays pointing in the correct direction. During the swim, ensure the navigator is looking down at the top face of the compass. After completing the kick cycles, the student counting will notify the navigator. Still facing the same direction, the navigator should turn the bezel 180 degrees. In this example, the reciprocal heading is 150. Now the navigator rotates their body 180 degrees, realigning the north needle inside the two index markers. Once your students are in the correct position, communicate again with your dive master. Have the students then swim back to the starting point. As they do, remember to keep watching the navigator's compass. Once complete, check the students have returned back to the same starting point. Remember, for the navigation adventure dive, they must return to within 6 meters or 20 feet. Remember to provide your students with positive reinforcement and additional communication about the proper technique. You can then finish the skill with one more positive reinforcement. Here are some of the common problems you may encounter when conducting this skill.